Assalamu alaikum students. I am your teacher Sayyid Shahnila and we are studying the fifth chapter of English Balbharti, and the name of the chapter is the 12 months. So what did we see in the last video? We saw a story of a stepmother and her two daughters. One was her own daughter and the other was her stepdaughter. So the name of her real daughter was Helena and the name of her stepdaughter was Marukla. So she tortured Marukla and she never behaved well with Marukla while she loved her daughter dearly. So we saw that Helena and her mother demanded Marukla to bring some violets from the forest. What did they demand? They demanded her to bring violets from the forest. So we will see ahead what happened when Marukla went to forest. She came across when she went in the forest and on the mountain, she came across 12 months who were sitting around a fire. Now we'll see what happened. So Marukla was frightened. She stood still for a time in terror, but growing bolder, she went up to them and said, "Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at your fire." See, Marukla जब घर से निकली और जो टाइम निकली वो तब all over the area snow था, because it was winter. So she was trembling with cold. शिवर कर रही थी वो कोल्ड से. तो जब वो फायर के पास गई, वो 12 मंथ्स के पास गई, उसने उनसे क्या कहा? प्लीज काइंड सर, लेट मी वार्म माई हैंड्स एट योर फायर. उसने उनसे कहा, मुझे प्लीज अपने हाथों को गर्म करने दो. सो ग्रेट जनवरी नॉडेड एंड आस्क्ड हर, व्हाई हैव यू कम हियर माय डियर लिटिल गर्ल, व्हाट आर यू लुकिंग फॉर? सो उसमें से जो जनवरी था 12 मंथ्स में से जो एल्डेस्ट था, उन्होंने कहा, व्हाई डिड यू कम हियर, आप क्या नेसेसिटी है, क्यों आए यहाँ? सो Marukla replied, I am looking for violets. Marukla answered, I am looking for violets. So this is no time to be looking for violets, for everything is covered with snow, answered Great January. Great January, what did Great January answer her? He told her that this is not the time for violets because it is snow time. उन्होंने उससे कहा कि अभी वायलेट्स का सीज़न नहीं है, बिकॉज वायलेट्स हमेशा मार्च में आते हैं और अभी स्नोफॉल है, अभी स्नो सीज़न है. तो Marukla, what was her reaction when she heard this? Yes, I know, but my sister Helena and my stepmother said that I must bring them some violets from the forest. If I don't bring them, they will kill me. Tell me, father, please tell me where I can find them. So what did Marukla say to the Great January? She said that my sister Helena and my stepmother demanded me for violets. If I don't bring them violets, they will kill me. And she asked where she could find violets. So Great January stood up and went to one of the younger months. It was March, and giving him the club, he said, "Brother, take the high seat." So on hearing this, Great January, who was the eldest, stood up and asked younger months, which was March, to sit on the high seat, to sit on the chair, and gave him the club. Club, we had seen the meaning of club. It means staff, as you can see in the picture. So it asked the March, brother, take the high seat. Now March took the high seat upon the stone and waved the club over the fire. The fire blazed up, the snow began to melt, the trees began to bud, and the ground was at once covered with grass. It was springtime. So March took the seat and it waved the club. Staff को उसने fire के सामने घुमाया. So what happened due to that? The fire blazed up. Fire ignited. and the snow began to melt. Fire से snow melt होता है. So snow began to melt due to fire, and the trees began to bud. Birds formed on the trees. Birds, kali, and the ground was at once covered with grass. So due to melting of snow, the trees began to bud, and the ground was covered with grass. Now it was springtime. The change happened here. As we can see in March, the trees bear buds, and even there is grass all over in the European area, not in our areas. European region, it happens in the European region, not in our country. So as in the March, it happens that the ground is covered with grass and the trees bud. Similarly, that happened by the waving of the club. Now the violets began to bloom among their little leaves, and before Marukla had time to think, so many of them had sprung up that they looked like a blue cloth spread out on the ground. So, as the trees began to bud, after that, with no sooner time, violets began to bloom. उसमें से violet flowers निकलने लगे bird में से. And the violets began to bloom among their little leaves with small leaves. And before Marukla had time to think, so many of them had sprung up that they looked like a blue cloth spread out on the ground. So before Marukla could think, it looked like a blue cloth spread on the ground. There were so many violets that it looked like a blue cloth spread on the ground. So what happened next? No, pick them quickly, Marukla commanded March. What did the March command Marukla? He commanded Marukla to pick them up. Marukla picked them up joyfully till she had a big bunch. Then she thanked the months with all her heart and scampered merrily home. So what does scamper mean? Scamper means to run playfully. When we are happy, हम कैसे फुदक के चलते हैं, भागते हैं. So scamper means the same, jogging playfully or to run playfully, and merrily means joyful. So Marukla picked up all the flowers and she had a big bunch of flowers. Of which flowers? Violets. So she thanked all the months with all her heart and scampered towards her home. So when she reached home, we will see what happened. Helena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Marukla bringing the violets. They opened the door to her, and the scent of violets filled all the cottage. So when stepmother and Helena saw Marukla bringing the violets, they were shocked to see her. And when they opened the door of the cottage, the scent of violets filled the cottage. So Helena asked her, Where did you get them? Asked Helena sulkily in an anger way or even in a surprised way. Where did you get them? Because they also know it's the month of snow. It's not possible to get violets. Still they demanded violets from Marukla. So when they brought violets for them, they were shocked to see her. So Marukla replied, They are growing under the bushes in a forest on a high mountain. What did she say? They are growing under the bushes in a forest on a high mountain. They are growing in a forest on a high mountain. Helena snatched all the flowers and did not give even a single one to her sister. Helena ने खींच ली उससे सारे flowers and did not give even a single one to her sister. She did not give even one flower to her sister, Marukla. The next day, she called to her sister and said, Go, Marukla, and get me some strawberries from the forest. So what did Helena do? Helena called Marukla the next day and told her to bring strawberries from the forest. Alas, Dear sister, where could I find any strawberries in this hard winter? Said Marukla. So Marukla said, it's not possible to find strawberries in this severe cold. So, how dare you argue? Go at once and get me the strawberries or I will kill you. Helena once again scolded her and threatened her to bring the strawberries, otherwise she will kill her. So the stepmother caught hold of Marukla and pushed her out of the door and shut it after her. So the stepmother, what did she do? She caught hold of Marukla. उसने उसको पकड़ा and she pushed her out of the door. उसको डोर से बाहर ढकेल दिया and shut the door. So Marukla went to the forest weeping bitterly. She was weeping, she was crying because of their behavior and because of their always demanding nature. Marukla went to the forest weeping bitterly. The snow was lying deep and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen anywhere. As it was too cold and it was snow all over the area, it wasn't possible to find even a human footprint there. She wandered about for a long time. Who wandered? Marukla was wandering. She was इधर से उधर घूम रही थी. She was wandering here and there in search of strawberries. She was hungry. She wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with cold. She was hungry and was shivering with cold and was wandering here and there in search of strawberries. At last, she saw the light she had seen the other day. उसने जो उसके पहले दिन जो लाइट देखा था, उसको फिर से वो लाइट नजर आया. So she was overjoyed. She was much joyous to see the light. So she went towards it. She came to the great fire with the 12 months sitting around it. So at last she saw the light she had seen the other day. Overjoyed, she went towards it. She came to the great fire with the 12 months sitting round it. So on seeing the light beaming through the mountain, she went towards it. And she came to the great fire. वो fire की तरफ गई. Who were sitting around the fire? The 12 months. She went to them. So we'll see in the next video what happens when she goes there. We'll see in the next video. I hope you have understood what I have taught you. Jazakallah khairan for